Hi guys, this is Shivansh and you are watching Techsonish. And today we are talking about how to install a Xampp server on the local host. So you just need to go Google and search the Xampp. First of all, you need a internet connection on your device. Like your device is not connected with internet, so this error is showing no internet. So you have to go your Wi-Fi connection or your hotspot or your SIM card has a POI and click on your connection. In my case this is a connection and it's not working, so I'm close this Wi-Fi and start again. So it will be take us some time and start. So it's not working. Okay, no problem. So I'm just start this Wi-Fi first of all, so it will be working. Just because password is already saved on my device, so I am not enter the password. So just once again I'm close this Wi-Fi and start it. It will be showing, and here I'm click on the connect and it's a connecting, or it will be take some time if your connection is little bit slow. So just wait for the your connection. So guys, my localhost device is a local device is connected with the internet. So I am going to Google and search the Xampp download. So it's the website apachefriends.org. Here you are going and click on the your server. So in my case it's a window. So if you have a Linux, so you click on Xampp in for Linux. If you have a Mac OS X, yeah, Mac too, so you can click on the here. Okay, so in my case it's a window, so I'm clicking on the 64-bit download. Okay, also it will be showing a message. It will be showing you a message. Awesome, your download will be start automatically. If it's not, so click on here. Okay, so just wait for a minute. So download will be started automatically. So I think this download is started. Yes, this is started. It will be take a time 19 minutes. So I'm back when it's downloaded. So I'm stop it because I'm pause it because I have already Xampp on my localhost device. So I'm click on the folder, click on the download folder. Here I'm search on the search download and search the Xampp. Okay, so basically I have a Xampp. So I'm click on here. It will be ask you it will show you a pop-up and ask you do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click on yes. Okay, so it will be showing you a screen like this. It will be showing you a warning like this. Cut it, click on the next, click on the next, click on the next. Here your folder is, select your folder. It's a drive C and /Xampp. So it will be automatically created just because you can go and check. Here is a only Xampp 2, not a Xampp folder. So if you are click here and click the next, so this here it's asking you a language. Here is English by default, and if you are click on next, so it's ready to install. Here you click on here next, it will be starting Xampp on your device. So I think here is a folder is automatically created. Let's check this folder Xampp. Here some folder, some basic folders is already created here. So you click on here. It will be take some time installing some packages. Okay, and when we click on the next window, I will be back. So guys, for this process your device is already connected with internet. If your device is not connected with internet, so maybe Xampp folder is created on your localhost or your folder where you want to install it. So if you want to once again install it, so you have to rename it. Like in my case, I'm again install this server on my localhost. So I have another folder that name is a Xampp 2, just because that was already available on my device. So you can check. I have a folder Xampp 2. it's my old folder. Here my old data and old files are installed here, old projects are available here. If I have a need, so I will be backup. So, okay, so it's I think finished for window is available. Yes, this pop-up is available, so I click on the finish and your installation is completed. So when you click on the finish, so this pop-up is open. You need to click on the Apache start. So this PID and this port is active and this is green. And when you click on the MySQL, so it PID and this port is available. If you click on the FileZilla, if you need, so this is available, and I don't need it, so I'm click uncut it. If you want to, okay, this is started, so I'm stop it. Okay, this is a Mercury. If you click on it, so it's available. I don't need it, so I'm click. I don't need it, I'm stop it. Okay, and I don't need it, Tomcat. So basically I need only two things. One is a Apache module, second is a MySQL module. Okay, so click on now when it's started, so click on the cut button, cross button, go to your browser, go and type the localhost. Okay, PHP MyAdmin. So I think it's available. Yeah, the folder is test, the database is test, the database is MySQL is available. Okay, I want to install the WordPress on my Xampp folder, so on my local host. So I click on the download, or you can go to Google, and once again you need a connection with your device is connected with internet. Click on the WordPress. Okay, when you click on the WordPress, so here two devices are available, two websites are available. WordPress.com, it's not required if you want to install your local host. You need to go WordPress.org, click on the download WordPress.org. Here you get the latest version of the WordPress. So my latest version is the 6.2.2. I think I have this version. So I'm going to download and click the WordPress. Actually click the WordPress, not a search the WordPress. So when you search the WordPress, so your older version is available, WordPress 6.0.3, and current version is a 6.2.2. so I'm click on it, download, and I think it's started a download.